Hi, this video is going to be about how to make your own vertical edible garden. This can be either on your terrace or on a free garden wall you don't know what to do with. I got this idea from Willem van Cotthem. He's a Belgian professor and he's made a bunch of videos on this topic, so I'll link them down below. To make your own garden, you'll need some empty bottles with their caps, a bag of soil, a pair of scissors, some wire or a strong rope, and your seedlings. You also need a little bit of sand, around 1 cup. This is optional, but it really helps with the filtration. My seedlings are around 3 weeks old and they're all leafy greens. That's because my wall is in a very shady place and it doesn't get really hot where it's located. But you go ahead and choose your vegetables or fruits depending on your climate and the location of your wall. Here are some options for what you can plant in your bottle depending on your climate. I also forgot to mention that you will need, of course, a hook in the wall you want to make your garden on to hang the bottles. So the first thing you'll do is cut off the ends of all the bottles. The last bottle you cut in half. Next, you make 4 holes in all the caps. 1 hole will be in the middle to put your thread or your wire through. Next, right in the middle on one side, you cut a square. I made it like almost a door thingy, but in the end it wasn't the best idea because it opened up too much. So just a normal square will do. Then put the lids on the bottles and you can start pulling the wire through the first bottle. Now you can start filling the bottle with soil. You can either make your soil wet before you put it in the bottles, or you can do like I did and put the soil dry and then afterwards moisten it. Before threading on the next bottle, you need to measure out how long your wire will have to be for all the bottles. So hold it up next to the wall and then count a little bit extra to make the loop in the end. Then you go ahead and fill up the next bottle, and that until they're all filled up with soil. Finally, on top you put on the half bottle and make a loop so you can hang it on the wall. Fill that last half bottle with the sand and then go ahead and put some water in. You'll notice that it will start dripping through all the bottles and it will come out at the end. On the floor you can put the other half of the top bottle to catch all the water that comes out. This water you can reuse to fill up the top, and like that you won't flush away any of the nutrients in the soil. While I'm waiting for the water to drip through and moisten all the soil, I'm going to plant some other seedlings I had. This is some cilantro. It's also 3 weeks old and it's ready to be planted outside. When the soil is completely moist, you can go ahead and start planting your seedlings in the little holes. Now you just need to add water on top every day, and then you catch it with a bottle or with a cup on the bottom and just refill the top bottle. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, and a like would help me a lot, so do it. Thanks. Bye.